In that peaceful night, when the moon started blushing, bundles of joy came into their life when you were born. Yes, they were happy, aren't they? You became their priority, that they forgot the world and you became their world. They were your friends. You shared everything with them. They decided to give you beautiful life. They provided you everything that you always asked for. They thought if they work hard, your life will be filled with happiness and richness. So they were busy in their work life. But is it healthy? Do you think it's good for life? At times you became stubborn. They managed everything with smile. You became clever, didn't you? When your tears became their weakness, you ended up with getting everything you wanted. Years passed, you grew up, they grew old. But still your needs, in fact demand, also increased. They thought you are the sunshine of their world, but you were the black hole. You didn't even leave the chance to steal their money. You went for trips and the reason they knew was you attended conference. You did late night parties, but they thought you were doing combined studies. And the dice got tossed and you climbed the ladder, never knowing the snake right in front of you will get you back into the lowest position. Your parents also thought you're doing great in life and they didn't bother much. Your pocket money changed into debit cards. You were trapped amidst of luxury named evil. Branded things were on your list. That's cool. But when a fellow mate had a shabby appearance, why did you make a fun of him? It's not decided by what brand you wear. It's all about how the person is. You forgot to value the person. Sleeping with girls became a casual thing. One fine day, hailstorm hit the shore. It was terrible. You shut it down with tears. You lost everything. Depression, loneliness embraced you. Wish you and your parents spent little bit of time with each other. Money is important, but family is more important. You cannot buy a family with money. Understanding one's own children, sharing, nourishing also play an important role in life. Our young generation should be taught to value others' feeling. They should thought about simplicity, adjusting, managing the situation. It's play a great role in human life. Like the way they gave you love, they too want the same when they grow old. More than money, they need your time. No other disease is severe than loneliness. Never consider them as a burden. They too had a sleepless night to look after you. No matter how busy you are, keep some time for them too. Talk to them, have a healthy conversation with them. Listen them whenever they need you. They will really feel happy. They will not ask for you anything. They are humble. It's your time to fulfill them. Sending them to old age home is not good so far. What would have happened if they had thrown you into garbage? Life cycle will go on. It's one's responsibility to become the root of your so-called family tree. Time is precious. Live the moment. Let the beautiful memories bring smile on your face.